Okay. So next is I want to discuss the site map, site planning and architecture, and then after that I will discuss with Google Ads. So this is critically very important to understand the website structure and planning, and it's really essential because as a digital marketer you should know these things. If you know all these things, it is easier for you to manage, because ultimately the responsibility is with us of a successful campaign, and a successful campaign depends on website, how website looks like, how the processes are on the website, and the sale happens on that only. So it's critically very important for us. And in that, primarily, you can make wireframes and sitemaps. So what is sitemap and what is a wireframe? Uh, Sitemap is primarily sitemap is a structure, or you can say it is a list of all the web pages. In simple words, it is a list of all the web pages that you are going to make in your website. Like you want to make a home page, you want to make a about us page, you want to make a product page, subcategory page. Okay, so like if you're building an e-commerce site, so what pages you require? You require the home page so that people can see banners, promotions. Okay, then you must have the category pages, whichever category you have. Okay, and then the offer pages if you have certain offers continuously. After that, you must have return policy, term of use, security, payment, shipping, cancellation, FAQ, contact us, career, if you have a career, social media, and your registered address of it. And if you have option of advertising and selling on your platform, also that. Whichever all features you are thinking, okay, uh, whichever features you're thinking, you can add it over here. Just one thing, Shivan, you can add your name uh, by yourself if you have joined today only. No issues. Okay. So I was saying that you have to in sorry guys, just a minute. Shivam said he was not able to join. Please put your name on the sheet. And Biswajit Sahu is, yeah, Biswajit, you also go ahead and mark your name, please. That would be a great help. Okay, so sitemap is basically all the pages you want to have in your website, even a cart page, okay, and a payment page and a payment integration. Every single page which you can think of is essential for your website comes under sitemap. So there is an assignment for everyone that you have to do is you have to create a sitemap for your website which you are thinking of. In case you are not able to decide the site, you are not going to work on any business, you are not thinking of any business doing, then what you can do is you can build a site map for an individual person who's building a personal brand. So you can make a site map for that person and submit that assignment to me by tomorrow. Okay. Now one question, have you understood what is a sitemap is? If it is clear, press 1 into the chat box. If you have to unmute and go ahead, you can go ahead and raise your hand. I will let you. Okay. Sudhanshu says it's clear. Tanya says it's clear. Aditya says I have posted a sitemap on loanbanker.com. Please review. Sure. I will review it after the class. It would be great, Aditya, if you can send it on a Word document. It's easier. Okay. Vishwajit says, can you explain it again? Sure. Vishwajit, sitemap is prime. We are talking about the website architecture. In the website architecture and planning, there are two things primarily. One is sitemap. Sitemap is collection of all the web pages you want to build on your website. So means if you have categories, you will have category page. If you have product, you will do a product page, login page, sign up page, notification page, whatever pages you want to build in your site, that should be there on your sitemap so that whenever you are trying to build a website, when you want the project to be given to the agency or a freelancer, you are aware of it. Okay, what exactly they will make, because what happens, why this sitemap is necessary or wireframe is necessary, because most of the times what happened is 90% of the people don't know what they are making or what they want in terms of website, and there is always a confusion. They keep on adding, deleting pages, previews, and lot of stuff. So to avoid that, this is a uh, this is a plan which has been followed by the whole industry, big corporates primarily, to reduce the frictions between the agency and them, and primarily there is no overcosting or undercosting happened due to that. Okay. Next is web page wireframe. What is web page wireframe? Is primarily the wireframe where you defined what element you want to place it where on the page. For example, it is an e-commerce site of homepage. Okay, you want to design. So in a wireframe, you define on top left hand side, you will have a logo, then you have a search bar, then you have a login button, then you have more other options over there, then you have a cart. Below that, you will have a menu. Below that, you will have two banners. Okay, based on your requirement, even three banners, and then specific product banners you have. Okay, and then other product categories, then top things you search in Flipkart about Flipkart, and the footer part. And in footer part, what you have social media, you have policy related, health related, and about us related column. For example, if I show it to you, one of the site map.